Viewers, it's the penultimate phase of the 2024 Mahasangram, as in cricket in terms you will also call it the slog overs. Voting will take place in 58 Lok Sabha seats across 8 states and union territories. Now, the states which are in fray right now, we're talking about are Uttar Pradesh, where 14 seats are up for grabs. In Haryana, voting will take place in 10 seats of Haryana, 8 seats each in Bihar, and Bengal will witness voting amidst the sweltering heat. In Odisha, 6 seats will see voters seal the fate of their candidates. In Jharkhand, 4 seats are in the fray. And finally, in Jammu and Kashmir, 1 seat will witness voting. The national capital, Delhi, we also have Sabyasachi joining us, and these are the live visuals coming in. The voters are coming out in large numbers, I believe, Sabyasachi, in the morning.
Well, absolutely. Voters are coming out in large number in different polling stations out here in the national capital. And see, few minutes back, the polling station from where I am reporting, Union Minister S. Jaishankar just casted his vote. Now he has appealed to the people of the national capital and rest of the country to come out in large numbers and vote for Viksit Bharat. See, continuously here in the national capital, it is a straightaway battle between the BJP and the India Bloc Alliance. See, it is still early in the morning. The voters are slowly coming in, whereas we are reporting from the New Delhi constituency, where it's a straightaway battle between Basuri Swaraj and Aam Aadmi Party candidate. So clearly at this particular point, the politics here in the national capital is heating up. We had seen that on one hand, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress has been relying much on the sympathy to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and the other hand, the BJP has been escalating its attack on the India Bloc partners on the corruption issue, how different leaders have been involved in corruption. See, it's going to be a fierce battle here in the national capital, where BJP would be hoping that they could repeat their performance back in 2019, that all the seats once again be won by the BJP. But this time around, the India Bloc partners, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress is also confident that they are going to perform well here in the national capital.
Right, Sabyasachi, we also have Niyamika joining us. Niyamika, several union ministers have also come out to cast their vote in Delhi. We saw Jaishankar, Hardeep Puri, Basuri Swaraj coming in.
Absolutely, and we are also standing at one of the most important locations here, as we are here in the Lodi state area, where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's husband Robert Vadra is going to vote here. And as per the latest information which we are getting, Priyanka Gandhi is also going to accompany Robert Vadra when he is going to cast his vote, and after that only she will cast her vote at the nearby polling booth along with her children. But we have also been joined by some of the voters here who have come here early morning. Sir, what's your name, and what do you want to say about these elections? As do you want to change this time, or are you happy, or are you satisfied with the current regime?
So my name is Rahul Jain, and I have casted my vote first time in Delhi in the parliament election. So we were very particular that we should get our name added wherever we are currently working or staying. So we are happy that we got our name included with the smooth process of the Election Commission of India. Right. And along with me, my wife, so both of us have casted our vote. And obviously, this is a opportunity which comes once in 5 years. Right. And I would just say that nobody should miss it, and do your duty to cast your precious vote.
Ma'am, we would also like to speak to you as a woman. What are the important issues for you, for this country, which should be there in the minds of the voters when they will cast their vote?
I think they get proper education, and women तो वैसे भी आगे बढ़ ही रहे हैं, तो इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहे और अपना वोट सही जगह दें, और आगे के लिए जो फ्यूचर के लिए उनके लिए अच्छा होगा. थैंक्स.
सर, आपके लिए क्या इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज रहे जो आपके माइंड में थे जब आपने अपना वोट कास्ट किया? तो
So, undoubtedly, as a voter and at this age, we would like to see our country at the top level in the world, and that is I think most of the mid-age voters and also the young voters, they aspire, and obviously everybody should aspire that India should be at the global stage and marching towards the world leader. And we always would support anybody who works in favor of India to become the marching country in the world.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was the voices from the ground, as these are the voters who are saying that the development of the country is very much important, and that is one of the most important issue which should be there in the minds of the voters when they will cast their vote today in the national capital.
Right, Niamika, thank you so much for giving us the latest inputs, and we also have reactions coming in of the union ministers and BJP top guns who cast their vote just now. Listen in.
I only want to give message. I'm at this booth, the first male voter. Want every strong voting today. I want everybody to come out. This is our national duty because मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि एक बार और जो है भारत की जनता जो है विकसित भारत को अपनी वोट देगी, अब मोदी सरकार को वोट देगी. So we start early. I hope there's a very strong turnout in Delhi, like there is in rest of India. हम लोग जो हैं अभी वोट किए हैं, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं इस बूथ में फर्स्ट मेल वोटर हूँ. अब ये मतदान जो होता है, हम तो चाहते हैं कि भारी संख्या में आज वोट पड़े, क्योंकि ये देश के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा निर्णय का समय है. और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि देश जो है, दिल्ली के वोटर भी विकसित भारत और मोदी सरकार को एक बार और वोट देंगे और एक बार और मोदी सरकार वापस आएगी.
आप सभी को जय श्री राम. आज लोकतंत्र का महापर्व है और मेरा विनम्र निवेदन है दिल्ली की जनता से कि आज इस लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में आकर अपना योगदान अवश्य दीजिए. आज सुबह सवेरे आशीर्वाद लेने आई हूँ झंडे वाली माता का, और बस इसके बाद जाके अपने पिता के साथ जाकर मतदान करने वाली हूँ.
We also have our team of reporters joining us, but let me go across to Rishabh first. Rishabh, we just heard the union ministers giving out a strong message that they encourage voters to come out in strong numbers, and even the Prime Minister has put out a tweet saying that voters should come out in large numbers and exercise their right.
Well, definitely. National Capital is voting today. The who's and who of Latin's Delhi is voting today. We are here at one of the key polling booth in Latin's Delhi. This is Nirman Bhavan. Most of the MPs, most of the ministers do come here to cast their vote, given that this happens to be the center, center of the powerhouse of National Capital. We'll have Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Chief Justice of India, and other senior and VVIP personalities coming here to cast their vote. But this is going to be very interesting today. For the first time, whoever the Gandhis choose to vote, it's not going to be Congress, because they don't have a Congress candidate from New Delhi seat. You have Bansuri Swaraj from BJP and Somnath Bharti from Aam Aadmi Party in the contest. How that contest turns out, that is something that we'll know on 4th of June. But for now, when Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi come to cast their vote, and we are given to understand that roughly around 8 a.m. is when both of them will be here to cast their vote, it's not going to be Congress. It's something that is very, very interesting. We'll try and ask this to them as well, that how and what made, how they made their mind to and vote in what way. But here, right now, the polling, the voters have started coming in. The queue is not that long, but yes, the early voters have started going in at Nirman Bhavan also. So as everywhere, and we heard External Affairs Minister, we heard Bansuri Swaraj as well. Everyone is appealing to come out and vote. We have heard senior leaders saying that everyone should come out and vote. Here at Nirman Bhavan, it's slow, but the polling has begun.
Right, Rishabh, thank you so much for giving us the latest inputs. We also have some reactions tumbling in, which are Hardeep Singh Puri and Udit Raj. Listen in.
ऐसा है कि 400 पार का एक सेंटिमेंट है और 400 पार करने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं है। हमारे 303 ऑलरेडी हैं और 10% भी हमारी सीटें बढ़ती है तो 330-33 होती है, 15% बढ़ती है 345। हमारे 37 अलाइज हैं, तो अगर उनमें से आधे के भी 2-3 सीटें आए तो हम 400 के अच्छा आराम से पार करेंगे।
I'm joined by Congress candidate from North West Delhi, डॉक्टर उदित राज। सर, आज काफी अहम दिन है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट ये इलेक्शन माना जाता है क्योंकि कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी एक जब राइवल थे अब वो साथ में आ गए। आपको लगता है जब आपको इस बार जनता वोट देगी तो किस मुद्दे पे देगी?
आज भारत के इतिहास का बहुत अहम दिन है, लोकतंत्र बचाने का दिन है। आम आदमी पार्टी कांग्रेस के बीच भारी मतभेद होने के बावजूद एक इसलिए आए हैं कि संविधान बचे और लोकतंत्र बचे। उससे बड़ा कोई चीज नहीं हासिल हो सकती जो हमें हासिल हुई। कांग्रेस ने लड़ा, अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराया देश। अब फिर से देश परतंत्र न हो जाए, आज स्वतंत्रता की ही लड़ाई है।
सर, काफी अहम ये रहेगा क्योंकि आपके नॉमिनेशन और कन्हैया कुमार के नॉमिनेशन पे काफी विवाद हुआ था, आपको भी आउटसाइडर कहा गया था, उस चीज पे क्या बोलेंगे?
ये तो अच्छा ही कहा मुझे, कम से कम उनका मजाक तो उड़ा। 2014 में जो एमपी हुआ उस क्षेत्र से वो आउटसाइडर हो जाएगा। कुछ लोगों ने बीजेपी के कहने से ऐसा किया था, वो पार्टी के अंदर थे ही, अब वो बाहर हो गए हैं, तो इसमें तो कोई दम है नहीं। मैं वहाँ का एमपी, वहाँ हमारा मकान, आज से नहीं बहुत पहले से, एमपी बनने के पहले से, तो एक तरह से उन्हीं का मजाक उड़ा है।
इलेक्शन से एक रात पहले एलजी और आम आदमी पार्टी में विवाद छिड़ गया है। आतिशी का कहना है कि जहां पे इंडिया ब्लॉक पार्टनर्स को सबसे ज्यादा वोट मिलता है वहां पे वोटिंग स्लो कर दी जाएगी। ये काफी बड़ा एक एलिगेशन आतिशी के द्वारा लगाया गया है कुछ ही घंटे पहले इलेक्शन।
ऐसी प्लानिंग है इनकी, जैसे गरीब बस्तियां हैं, लोअर मिडिल क्लास के लोग हैं, जे कॉलोनी है।
We have our team of reporters back with us. Niyamika, I'll go to you first. Delhi is one place where BJP did a major rehaul of its MPs, and now we have seen how the strategy will play out once the results come in on June 4. But how do you believe that the voters are welcoming this change or not?
Well, in the national capital, it seems like the voters are in a silent mode. They are not revealing that on which side they are going to cast their vote. However, we have spoken to several of the voters here as we are right now standing in the Lodi estate area, and the voters are saying that the development of the country is very much important, and that should be there in the minds of the people when they will cast their vote here in the national capital. As right now, the most interesting factor which is there in the currently going on Lok Sabha elections in the national capital is that it is the very first time that the Gandhi family, that Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, they are going to cast their vote not for the Congress candidate but for the Aam Aadmi Party candidate, and that's the most interesting part of this election as because they are saying that this is the alliance dharma which they are fulfilling because it is very much necessary to fight against the BJP together, and that's the reason why the India bloc has come together, and they are fighting against the BJP just to save the democracy, and that's the reason why they are saying that it is very much necessary for the people to come out of their houses and they should cast their vote as much number as possible, and that is the reason which they are giving. But as of now, it will be interesting to see that how this is going to play out in the upcoming days. As earlier we have seen that how in 2013 there was a time when Arvind Kejriwal, who is the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party and also the Delhi Chief Minister, he had made an announcement that the Aam Aadmi Party will never be in any kind of alliance either with the Congress or with the BJP. But in today's scenario, we can clearly see that how the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party has come together. At one point of time, they were rivals, but in today's scenario, they are fighting against the BJP together. So that's the most interesting part of today's elections in the national capital.